Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Here we are on the way to Weymouth. That's my brother and that's my boyfriend, looking very excited. He was very tired. And yeah, it's a 4-hour journey from where we are. But enjoy. Luckily you don't have to wait that long. Here's the little garden before anybody is out here. Well, Arch is out here. You can hear Tom. Luna's out here too. Woohoo! Here's the back of the house. We'll see which room we end up in because I think there's about 6 rooms. Archer's being impatient. Hi! This is our room for the week. Comes with a Stephen. This is our
I hope you enjoy your stay here,
bed.
madam.
This wasn't all the way there, we just Luna-proofed it. So we've got a little chair.
Got Stephen.
Got Stephen, who's hanging up his bits and bobs. Got 2 really big windows, which is nice.
The Luna comes with the house standard.
Yeah. Got a TV. Got a nice...
What's the lock?
A nice mirror. We've got a view of the little lake in between the houses. And yeah, we are in the green room. This is our green room. Nice mirror on the side. Another window out. 3 rooms here. This is the first room down here. Julie's taken this one. There's a bathroom in there. I don't know what's in here. Oh, cupboard, meter cupboard. This is the room Nan's gonna take. She's got everything out already. This is the bathroom. And there's downstairs. This is day 2's outfit. It's a little Hollister play suit. It does have built-in shorts, but I'm also wearing shorts underneath because although this is Hollister tall, it is not quite long enough. I think we're gonna go and have a look around the shops today. So yeah, that's today's plans.
I think you've done alright.
I especially loved the Chippendale one just there and the hot air balloon one. And I also tried on some Disney rings, which I loved. But I was good. We looked in a little vintage shop as well. Very cool. All the little My Little Ponies are so cute. As you can see by the sweaty complexion, honestly, I'm like a bowling ball. That we've just come back from shopping. But I'm going to show you a little haul of what we got. I got an exciting purchase. I also got a very pointless purchase because I bought the wrong wire, but it's fine. It's it's the right wire, but it just has
USB-C.
that end. So I need to get a plug for that bit. Then it'll be fine because I can just keep it in my room. Anyways, let's do the haul. So these are Stephen's bits, minus phone. So he bought a new, it's the away the away Aston Villa top. It isn't a large, he is not a large, but we've tried it on, we meaning Stephen, and it was in the sale, so it was £30 and it was like 80, so that's good. He then bought a Darth Vader Funko Pop from TK Maxx. He then bought 2 pairs of shorts. One's at Lessie and, oh no, they're both the same brand, if that's how you say it. People say it differently. One grey, one beige. Both the same shorts actually. $14.99. Moving on to some car bits. So I bought a Tutti Frutti Jelly Baby air freshener. I got some wipes just for the interior, just to clean Fifi. Also got some microfiber cloths. Got 2 mystery pin packs. One is got all Daisy and I just thought any of those are really cute. And I don't have a daisy pin. And these are all the princesses, so I'll unbox them in a minute. And we have number 11. We need a name for him. We are unsure. But he's so cute. Look at him. He's a big sourdough. Got him from Bibby's Home Boutique, if that's how you say it. It was actually the display one. So he's been people watching. But yeah, that's everything. And I'll do a pin unboxing for you. The 2 Loungefly pins. I'll open the daisy one because they're all going to be daisy. I think I'm going to get middle one there.
Crazy. Action shot wall.
Oh, I can't see it.
Don't know. Don't know, Jeff.
Is the one you
right.
Is the one you got?
Yeah. I think Tiana, because I tried on her ring earlier. Yeah, it's the wrong way again.
I don't think you'll like it.
Jasmine and a boo. That's the unboxing. Here she comes. Trade yours now is done. Not cold, is it? She thinks it's fine. There's an error. So annoying. We are back now. Stefan's little head in the corner. But I thought I would give you a little haul of what we've done. Walked around the shops. There's a really nice boutique. I think it's called E&E Boutique. I could be wrong. It's pink. It was really nice, but a bit expensive. But we'll have a see. See how that goes. But I thought I'd show you what we got today. A very exciting purchase. I'm going to Amsterdam soon. I've said that about 10 million times. So I just bought some minis. Stefan actually we needed more shampoo. So Stefan's got that one. I think I like the blue one more, even though the red one is like classic mini. But let me know in the comments, please, because I don't know which one I want. And got some sweets as well. These are all from the arcade. We won them all. And thanks to Stefan, I got a free bracelet. I'm gonna try and put it on my ankle. It was in the Napoli shop on the corner in Weymouth. It is blue. It has a lot of, like a proper gift shop. Has lots of mugs in the window. And this is where I bought these. Let me unpack them. And look what I got. So obviously this Arch and Luna, my dogs. I'll put a picture here so you can see the resemblance, because I think they're really nice. And they're really well made. And this is for Shan, my friend. She's got a Cavalier thanks to us. And so I thought I would buy her one so it could be matching, because they had a Blenheim Cavalier. And that's everything for today. Ta-da!
The sun with the wind.
We're going to the Sealife.
I mean, that's great.
Just me and Steph. So this is the map, and we've just paid to do a behind the scenes tour, £15 for the both of us. So let's go see behind the scenes. I just thought I'd let you know that we've just done the
Steve Owen experience.
the Dave experience.
Yeah.
He's very lovely. I didn't film anything because there was literally like 5 of us, and it was just very nice, very informative. No baby penguins, but that's okay. We had a nice informative time.
Stephanie's cousin.
If you don't know who Stephanie is, watch our Greece vlogs. My 23-year-old boyfriend, everyone. Yeah. It's not the otter enclosure, it's the Stephen enclosure. Hello, I'm outside. Look at the tan line from today. That's so funny. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I hope you enjoyed. As you can see, not home yet, still the last evening, but we're literally getting up and going home tomorrow, so nothing to film tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because I am going to Amsterdam in a week. So you'll see that as well. But yeah, I'll see you very soon. Bye.